not even in focus. That's better. Good morning. I am editing yesterday's vlog. Not that anything exciting really even happened. I was super bored and super tired yesterday, which resulted into something very interesting. We still have all this food, well, there was not, all this food and salad left over from yesterday. I need to put this on a spin. Yeah, so yesterday was a pretty boring, average day. Yeah, today looks very doom and gloom. Not much sun. The dog is fast asleep. Billy! Hello? Hello, McFly? McFly! Oh, she's a little cutie pie. I'm gonna upload this, and I do not know what that tapping noise is. I woke up this morning and I could hear this loud tapping noise like that. Came in here and I still don't know what it is. Anyway, yeah, I'm rambling now. I've never looked more attractive, right? My lens is filthy. Anyway, I should probably get dressed, but I have been watching Justine crashing her drone, which is okay. I would probably crash a second into trying to fly that thing. It looks fun though. Not the crashing, the drone flying. And I did try and get a time lapse this morning, but the sky is just, well, grey. There's no blue, there's no white, there's no other colour. It is just grey. Grey outside. So I'm going to get back to this vlog, and then I am actually, because I am still in my pyjamas, and the vlog from yesterday has 6 minutes left. I had to pause it before. Oh, I had to pause it before. Oh. Because it wouldn't, it was stuck on, I think, 50 something percent. So I had to pause it and restart it again. And that seemed to give it a bit of a kick up the bum. I'm going to get back to this vlog and see what happens. Okay, so I've also just noticed, still watching them try and get the drone out of the tree, someone has climbed the tree. The irony of this ad placement is so funny. A vlog that gets a drone stuck in a tree, and there's an advertisement for a drone that's on sale for 449 quid. That's basically saying, do you want a drone? So you can get it stuck in a tree? Buy one now. Finally ready for the day. I'm just in my sweats and my necklace, which keeps twizzling around, and my hair needs washing, so I've just gone for a braid. I don't know why I'm going, oh, door. Yeah, so I've just gone for a braid. Don't know why I'm out of breath. And I'm just about to have some lunch. I have a coffee, an espresso. and a pan au chocolat. So nice. Spying on the dog when she doesn't know I'm looking. My life's so entertaining these days. And just to add insult to injury, my hay fever has decided to say hello. Look at this little girl. I don't know what she's looking for or looking at. Have you ever wondered what your dog does, or your pet does when you're not home, or when they're out in the garden all by themselves? Mine wanders round like a crazy lost woman, and now she wants to come in, and that is the lovely barking sound that you probably can't hear because of the sound of the tumble dryer. No, the washer trying to destroy the house. Look at this. Yes, I see you, Millie, and I hear you. If only she could talk, eh? Come on, Beanie. Oh, I call her Millie Bean for no reason whatsoever. Her name is Millie, but I've always called her Millie Bean since we got her. Don't know why. I just do. Hello. I have just got out of the bath and washed my hair, which looks really weird at the moment. I don't know why. But I think it's because the sun's hitting it. And when I say the sun, I mean there's no sun. It's setting all the way over there. I don't even know if you can see it. Let's see if I can. No. I'm pretty sure if I climbed up you could probably see it, but I'm not going to when I am wearing a towel. I'm not naked. I'm just going to put my cream on my nose where it is getting a bit eczema, and I have got loads of spots because I am a human being and humans get spots. I'm not going to end the vlog just yet. I'll vlog a little bit later tonight. Gonna crack out some salty sweet popcorn and maybe watch a movie. I don't know what movie yet, but yeah, that's the plan. I will see you later. Okay, so since the last time you saw me, I've done my hair. I'm just about to choose a movie. And before I do, oh, I don't know, you still can't see it. Before I do, I wanted to say good night. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you next week. Bye.